Hi and welcome to Motorcycles UK. Today I'd like to show you a short video on this absolutely spectacular Triumph Thruxton R Track Racer. Here we have a Triumph Thruxton R Track Racer. This is a 2017 bike on a 67 plate with just 5,006 miles, 3 owners from new and a full service history on mileage. This bike is in excellent condition as you can see, and it comes with the Track Racer kit fitted. What's a Track Racer kit, I hear you ask? Well, the Track Racer kit, when this bike was new, was about a £1,700 plus fitting option that Triumph UK sold as an upgrade to the standard Thruxton R, and it included those Vance Hines pipes that you can see there, which are in excellent condition. While we're there, we might as well do that bit. The rear mudguard removal kit, which is what you see there, LED indicators, the Track Racer fairing, and slightly lower clip-on handlebars. This has got the standard handlebars on it, though I noticed, so it's not quite as extreme. There's a couple of other accessories on it. You've also got the alloy levers there as well, and as I said, those LED indicators. The bike itself is in absolutely fantastic condition. There's no marks, no corrosion, no signs of any damage or anything like that at all. It really is an absolute beauty. You've got paddock stand bobbins there as well. The spoked wheels, there's no signs of any tarnishing or corrosion there, and the rear wheel absolutely devoid of any marks of any kind. Rear tyre, loads of life left in that one, as you can see there. There's that mudguard removal kit, as you can see. Normally you have a big plastic mudguard there, and it's not there. Seat cowl, of course, this is technically a single seat bike. We do put the pegs on, you can buy a dual seat conversion for them, but this is the single seat. The mirrors and the levers are all absolutely in tip-top order. You get the knee pads there, and the petrol tank is all in great condition. There's no marks on the paintwork anywhere at all. There's that Track Racer fairing, which really does make the bike look absolutely fantastic. The front forks there, all in great condition, no pitting, no chips or any damage at all. On the front wheel, again, just like the back one, no signs of any tarnishing, and it's all in great condition. There's your radiator, just tucked neatly between the frame rails. Really quite clever how Triumph do that. I really like the way that they make the throttle bodies there look like old school carburetors as well. That's a nice touch. Öhlins rear suspension, of course, this being the R model. The front of the bike, there's no stone chips or any damage there either, and that big single headlight, again, no stone chips there. And the front mudguard in excellent condition, as you can see, with the front tyre having plenty of tread left. We come around to the left hand side of the bike, and that is, well, it's just the same as the right, if I'm completely honest. That bar end mirror there, absolutely as clean as a whistle, no damage there either on the lever or the bar end itself. All your fairing there in excellent condition, and the screen, it's not even a scratch on it. Yeah, this side, the left fork stanchion, all in great condition. Of course, this bike just looks like an old bike. You get the anti-lock brakes, a few rider modes as well. There's an accessory lever there, brake lever, and the heel plates in the very nice Union flag design. Engine cases, absolutely no sign of any pitting or corrosion there. Likewise on the fins, it really is in absolutely superb condition. Absolutely nothing to apologise for on this bike. There's that left-hand Vance Hines silencer and your rear left-hand shock absorber. All the side panels in great condition. And if we can have a top view of the bike there, the seat cowl, no scratches there. There's that very nice red stitching seat. Monza fuel cap and the tank strap, of course. Your classically styled dials with those digital insets, so you get your full trip computer. You also benefit from the Triumph heated grips as well, which is a really nice touch there, and there's your button for your modes. So all in all, this is an absolutely fantastic bike with a bag load of extras on it. So if you're after a modern cafe racer, look no further than this absolutely superb Triumph Thruxton R Track Racer. The Vance Hines pipes on this bike sound absolutely brilliant. Let's fire it up and have a listen. So here at Motorcycles UK, all our bikes come with the current MOT, a service if required by the motorcycle at time of sale, and a thorough safety inspection. We're also delighted to be able to offer nationwide delivery. Please contact us for a quote. If you're interested in this terrific Thruxton, then please do get in touch, either by phone or via the website. We'd be delighted to take your inquiry. If you've enjoyed this video, please remember to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'd really appreciate that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.